Here's the engine on this truck. It's a 5.0 V8. I just washed it. Got it all cleaned up so I can record some nice videos. A little bit of belt paint right here. How much? It's normal on this truck for the year. When you have the original paint right there, but nothing in the outside. The guy told me that his uncle used to park it under a tree. So you'll see, I'm gonna turn it on right now so you guys can hear it. That's how your hood sounds. Massive tires, rough country premium, all the way around. I'm gonna show it to you. There you go, all on. That's just cold. Power windows works. Just your other window. All your power window works. Size windows. Door. Being on tag. Well kept. Very well kept. Check it out. I'm gonna rattle it a little bit. Your AC system works. Call AC. So no broken dash. Look at the dash in that thing. No broken. All original. Great truck.